Norval Maury built his first tree debarker in 1957. What started as a family-owned company supporting the sawmill industry has grown to become a world leader in wood waste processing and tree care equipment. Our industrial whole tree chippers and grinders provide a variety of end products from chips to mulch, converting low-value wood waste into saleable products. We're everywhere storms and natural disasters strike, with powerful, agile, advanced chippers and grinders to clean up and restore communities to normal throughout the world. With all of this strength and experience behind us, nothing has grown more than our commitment to tree care and line maintenance. Starting with the industry's best-built, most reliable brush chippers, including a new line of 8 Eeger Beever models, powered by engines from 35 to 400 horsepower, as well as our labor-saving line of Boxer mini skid steers and attachments. With the acquisition of Rayco Manufacturing in 2017, we added the most reliable and best-engineered stump cutters, mulchers, and aerial trimmers to our product lineup. Rayco was founded in 1978 in Worcester, Ohio by John M. Bowling, who, as the owner of a tree care service, identified the unique needs of the tree and landscape industry and began to build equipment to meet and surpass those needs. Rayco Manufacturing new product offerings for 2018 include the C120 and T415 mulchers that blaze through any land clearing challenge with amazing speed and agility. We've extended our aerial trimmer reach to 75 feet with our new AT75 aerial trimmer and added 2 amazing gasoline-powered stump cutters to our lineup, the RG55 and RG80. Determined to continue to expand product offerings in the markets we serve, in December of 2018, Morbark acquired Quebec-based DENIS CIMAF. The company manufactures technically advanced attachments for excavators, skid steers, graders, and forestry mulchers. Founded by Laurent Denis and his wife, Monique Vaillancourt, in 1998, the road to the company's future success began with Denis' desire in 1990 to improve the performance of excavator-mounted mulching heads. Today, the Denis family has grown the company into a worldwide leader. Its mulching heads are used extensively in intensive vegetation control, land clearing, roadside transmission lines, pipeline maintenance, forest fire prevention, and other markets. Morbark, its affiliated brands, and global dealer network are made for more, now and into the future.